Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Samsung Calendar. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Samsung Calendar. So once you open your Samsung Calendar from your home screen, all you need to do is simply tap on the hamburger like icon, and once you do this you can go and see that as you create your Samsung account or as you create a Google account, it will be automatically get you logged in into your Samsung Calendar. So any of the Samsung app working on your Samsung device will have an auto sync to your login and logout of your Samsung account. So in this way you will be able to get logged in into your Samsung Calendar. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.